Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why it doesn't look like me? Yes? So this video is for you. Today we're talking about 5 style mistakes that will steal your confidence and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, dressing for a past version of yourself. Keeping clothes that doesn't fit anymore, doesn't fit, and not just fit in your body, but fitting in your lifestyle. And it doesn't fit in your current life. This is something, it really hurts your confidence. That creates such a stress by the time you're getting dressed. You end up wasting a bunch of energy and time. So instead of just keeping all your clothes, keeping things that don't align with you anymore, do this instead. Just keep pieces that are really connected who you are today with this today's version of you. Keep your clothes that really resonates to you, your lifestyle, your goals, your career. Mistake number 2, chasing trends that don't align. Buying pieces that look great on influencers, but doesn't resonate who you are. Doesn't make any connection with the woman you are today. Besides that, it's a huge waste of money. You feel frustrated, you still not confident. Buying pieces that the influencers offer to you or put together and you look cute. You look in that page and you think, oh my God, it looks so perfect. But in reality, when you purchase those pieces and you bring them home, when you try on yourself, they don't fit well, they don't feel good on you, they don't serve the purpose. They're not aligned with your lifestyle or who you are. For example, ballet flats and the Mary Jane shoes, they're trending right now. For me, I think they're cute. Don't take me wrong, they're really cute, but they are not very comfortable. For some people that have back pain or plantar fasciitis, they are terrible. When you start walking with them, you walk a mile with them, when you just realize they're not comfortable. They look comfortable, but they don't have arch support. They don't have arch support. They are very thin. It feels like you're barefoot on the street. So before you thinking of a trend, you have to think about your life, not the idealistic life they present in a computer or on a page, on a social media. This is not real life. But think about yourself. Do this instead. Buy pieces that feel like you, that when you try them on, you feel like, oh, this is me. And pieces that make you feel confident. Don't follow trends. You know what it's, because nothing more trending than being yourself. Mistake number 3, shopping without a plan. I believe most of us are guilty of this. You go to a mall. If you live in a big city, you walk on the streets and you see beautiful stores with amazing windows inviting us to get inside. So of course, we don't think about buying anything that day, but we end up buying some cute top, perhaps a purple ruffle top. You think they're cute, they are so adorable. In the store, they put an outfit together that looks wonderful, perfect. Then you bring it home, okay? You bring it home, you bring it to your closet, and you look, and you finally realize you have nothing to go with that purple top. Because when you don't shop with a plan, you end up buying pieces that will be there forever in your hanger, forever. You're never gonna dress that piece because you bought without an intention. Start with a color palette plus an outfit formula. And because when you have this, you will go shopping with a purpose. You won't just simply, of course, it's amazing going and looking to stores or searching online, but when you have a plan on mind and you have a palette color that you can follow, that makes completely difference in your lifestyle, in your time. You stop wasting time and you look amazing every single time you get dressed. And also an outfit formula. Outfit formula will work wonderful too. Mistake number 4, ignoring fit and proportions. While wearing clothes that are too tight or too baggy on you, they are just not right for your body shape, or they are not right for your body shape. That will destroy any confidence. They will destroy your style because you will put that piece on you and it doesn't look good. You will feel like that. Why it doesn't feel right? Because it's not made for your body type. Even designer pieces, luxury designer pieces, they are not made for your specific body type. Think, they are made specifically to a wide range of people because they need to sell. So they cannot be tailored to everybody because they won't sell. So when you buy pieces, even they're real expensive or not, they are not fit specifically for you. And what to do instead? Start using tailoring services. Tailoring your pieces will make wonders. Also learn about your body's lines. If you learn your body type, if you learn proportions and scale and proportions, that will change completely the way you will style your clothes. Fit is equal to confidence. And finally, mistake number 5, overthinking everything. Standing in front of your closet, looking a lot of pieces you have, and trying 10 different outfits. And you try them on, and still not feeling yourself, not feeling confident. You know why? Because you're overthinking. You know what to do instead? Just be creative. Try something. Of course, modify with accessories that you will transform everything. Have accessories, modify your look by being creative. Just don't overthink. When you overthink, you get discouraged. You get fatigued. So just skip that. You don't know what to do instead? Try something that makes you feel good. Try something, a basic piece, and use accessories. Accessorize. Having an accessory will make everything good, and it will make you much more confident. Which of those mistakes have you done it before in the past? So drop a comment. I want to hear from you. I would like to hear your thoughts. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and see you later. Bye.